lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, it's all about natural, simple, everyday look that I would be going for. This is the look that I achieved. So if you guys want to know and see how I achieved this natural everyday look, stay tuned for the video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Now I'm gonna go in with this Primark primer and start priming my face. These two foundation, Maybelline Fit Me and Primark foundation all together. So now I'm going to go in with the Fawn concealer to start my contour, and on today's video I will be using a cream contour. I usually don't like cream contour, but today I'm going to try this Revolution HD cream contour kit and I'm going to see how it's going to work out for me again today. Then I'm gonna go in now with the cream contour. Actually, I'll be trying this one because that one looks brighter. So definitely not, but I'll just do the rest like that and then just blend that out. Then I can continue with my powdered contour because this definitely is not working. I'm just gonna go in with my foundation brush that I used, and now I'm gonna go in and spray the sponge. This is a trick I learned from Uche and Natori on YouTube. I'm gonna go in with the same sponge that I used to blend to bake my face, and then I'm going to dab that into the powder and then do this. Now I'm going to use this Primark powder to dust off, to just dab it around my face. Time to dust off the baking powder. I'm guessing you lot have seen from my previous video that I love to use this eyeshadow palette as my palette to contour. So I'm going to go in with this colour, start to contour lightly. Y'all don't be scared to contour because at the end of the makeup you're gonna have to dust the excess and put your powder to finish everything, so it won't be that much. So now that is done, I'm gonna brush off. It's time I'm going to contour my nose now. So let's see how this bad boy will come out for me. So now I'm going to dust that off properly because it looks like a whole mess. Next thing I like to do now is to spray my face before I put anything else. Yeah. How about that, huh? Sometimes when I go with more natural look, I like to use a whiter powder to make my nose contour look more straight, which sometimes I don't really get it properly, but sometimes it does come out well. Just in the middle. That's definitely not the middle. But yeah, whatever. So I'm gonna leave that there whilst I do my eyeliner. Now that I've done the eyeliner, I'm just gonna go ahead and dust this contour off. You guys see that? Can you see that nose? Now I am gonna go back in with a little bit of nose contour, the dark one, and then just line that out. And that's done. There you go. You got it. So now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyelashes on, and I'll be right back for you guys. Do you guys ever have a struggle to put on eyelash and then you start crying? Well, this is a struggle I'm going through right now, so I have to take this off. I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, so now that the eyelashes are done and I'm no longer crying, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. This NYX lipstick or lip gloss. I can't find my lip gloss, so then I'm gonna go ahead and powder my face and then spray it, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. This is the finished look, but you know, I just gotta do what I gotta do, take everything out and show you guys. So guys, this is the finished look of this makeup tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos of me and notifications. Don't forget to press the bell down below somewhere, which I don't know about. That angle, whatever. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.